celebrities as Sir Richard Branson, singer Elton John, actor Russell Crowe, and golf legend Greg Norman. Looking downstream as we climb over the Whirlpool Golf Course, you can see the prestigious Niagara Parks Commission School of Horticulture, home of the Butterfly Conservatory. A stroll through these lush gardens and elaborate parklands reveals why it's a favorite year-round destination for thousands of tourists every year. As we bank on the Great Wolf Lodge, we have a clear view of the Spanish Aeropark, about 1,500 feet below us. This aerial tram carries sightseers over the mesmerizing waters of the Niagara Whirlpool. The Whirlpool's current is so strong that objects can be caught in its swirling waters for weeks before escaping into the Niagara River. Normally, the Whirlpool flows counterclockwise. However, when the river level is low, the Whirlpool slows and actually changes direction, an extraordinary natural phenomenon. Gorge. It's a favorite destination for hikers, nature lovers, and recreational fishermen. Most scientists believe that 12,000 years ago, the falls were located near Kingston Heights, 11 kilometers downstream from their current location, and actually eroded their way along this stretch of the Niagara River at a rate of about a meter per year. In the early 1950s, when the hydro plants began diverting water, the erosion rate slowed to a mere 3 centimeters per year. When the first European man reported seeing the falls, Albert and Jennifer in 1678, the falls would have been close to their current location, but the Canadian Horseshoe Falls would have formed only a shallow cube shape. As the Rainbow Bridge are the American Falls and the narrow Bridal Veil Falls. The waters of the river above the American Falls is shallow and turbulent. This is due to naturally occurring massive cracks in the riverbed. Scientists believe the erosion caused by these powerful rockets will eventually destroy the American Falls. Thankfully, according to their calculations, we still have about 2,000 years to enjoy them just as they are. And here we are at the majestic Canadian Horseshoe Falls. Once you've experienced the magnificence of the falls, you can understand why they've attracted millions of people for centuries. While most visitors are satisfied with gazing over the shore, some have been tempted to challenge their life with daring feats. Although recent daredevil attempts have been fairly successful, we still prefer our more distant, decidedly boring shore of the Niagara Parks Commission. Millions of tourists. The Niagara River Parkway is the only road that passes through the park, which stretches for 58 kilometers from Fort Erie to Niagara-on-the-Lake. The Niagara Parks Commission, established in 1885 to preserve the parklands, keeps the entire stretch of parkway